Tagaytay! Whatever the animals we put in your hand, please do not drop it or squeeze it. So ma'am, your safety is our priority, so just relax. Ang Bonding-Tagaytay na sa labas. Joke lang. So ma'am Ginger, are you ready? Yes, sir, you're ready now. All the way from Mexico.
Uy.
Crappie.
Oh my!
One of the largest spider in the world, also known as the tarantula. But with those vicious fangs, tarantulas really bite people, but they often flick their hair as a defense mechanism. And it can live up to 20. Way bye to everyone, because this might be the last meeting. Bye-bye! Come on! Come on! Magaganda kayo, ha? Joke lang! So meet our next animal friend. All you have to do is just to bring out one of your hands, just like this. And keep that steady. I just have one more last question sa nasa dalawang side. Kung bibigyan kita ng chance, makipagpalit kay ma'am, gusto mo bang mag-switch ng spot? Happy ka na dito? Opo. So si ma'am, birthday niya. Siyempre naman pag birthday mo, kailangan may privilege yan. Ma'am, kung bibigyan kita ng chance lumipat doon sa side na yon, pipiliin mo ba or are you going to stay here?
Basta dito yung tail.
Let's see. Tingnan natin kung tama ang desisyon ni ma'am. Now girls, bring out both of your hands and keep that we put in your hands. Please, do not. Gusto mo lumipat? Okay ka na dyan, baby girl? Whatever the animals we put in your hands, please, do not drop it or squeeze it. Now, are you ready? Ay, kulang sa energy. Sumabra ang ganda, kinulang sa energy. Come on guys, give me more. Are you ready?
Ready!
How about you guys, are you ready? So if you're ready now, all the way from the Southeast Asia. Tiny. Tiny. Tiny.
Uy, yung bata!
Pound per pound.
Eh, may yung kanina?
Tiniest animal count in the pet trade and entering guards are regular contact to keep them tame. The second of the largest snake in the world that could reach up to 13 to 30 feet in length and could weigh up to 200 to 3.
Talisay Road. Woo! Dangerous curve. Oy, sharp curve, sharp curve. Oh, twisties, banking, banking. Ang ganda ng view. Oh, doon tayo galing mga ka-BONDING-TAGAYTAY. Oh, grabe, ang ganda. Woo!